Welcome to our bathroom!
We love it. Don't care what the judges think, but I think it covers everything a bathroom needs in such a small space.
Perfect for a guest bathroom.
I think when you walk in, it's cute, it's funky.
Everything fits just right. Even the
Just
toilet.
right. We've got over vanity storage, under vanity storage. We've got enough space on our vanity.
Oh, look at this, Luke.
Yeah, they're cool.
Can you see the sort of the texture in there? That's really, I love that.
Oh, we love his beautiful blue tile. I think it's really poppy and beautiful and of the era. Floor tile, I think, ties in nicely with that.
These tiles wouldn't be my choice, but they tie in really well with the blue.
And our beautiful shower head that comes from the ceiling down.
Welcome to
guys,
our room, come on
welcome.
in. This is our beautiful space.
It's our beautiful high shower with the skylight. So you're going to be showering under the stars.
And our pink tiles too we love, so.
Yeah, definitely. The tiling is
Yeah,
spot on.
the tiling is amazing.
I love my bowls, my tapware, my vanity.
This vanity, I was looking at this vanity for our master.
It's beautiful.
And our toilet's tucked away so you can freely go to the bathroom without anyone staring at you.
I've got black toilet paper.
Do they? Holy dooly, that'd be worth a lot right now.
Welcome to our room.
Come on in, guys. Look at the space in here. Velux all the way to the ceiling, tiles to the ceiling.
A spacious shelf to put all of your shampoos, conditioners, body wash, anything you like. Dad, look at this, look at this. This is what I want in our master ensuite. This is proper. Spacious vanity with lots of storage.
Oh, is that storage?
Yeah, wow.
That is cool.
That's good.
Added bonus is that you can even check your hair out from all angles.
You might need it this morning, so might I. Have a look at it. Jesus Christ.
So what does it look like when it's off? Have you ever seen that? I've never seen that.
I like it. Look, this bathroom's got the lot.
We love it. It's amazing. It's got so much lighting.
On trend for 2020. Bring it on.
Welcome
to our room.
This is our beautiful
Lucid glass shower screen that won the judges over.
I love the shower frame.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. But I do understand that that's going to be really hard to clean.
A nice stacked subway tiles just to give it that 1910 feel. A nice niche that we brought out. Soft mosaic tiles, so we didn't go too heavy, just nice.
subtle detail.
And our Regency profile paneling, which I love, really do.
Very classic and
Very fits the brief too.
I like this, but I wouldn't do it only for the fact that I think painting would be a nightmare.
Beautiful handmade vanity oak.
this is our brush brass tapware, our beacon pendant, and our very beautiful feeling basin.
Welcome to our winning bathroom. Come on in. Keeping within our 1950s theme. So the green tile stops at chest height, and then the white tile floor to ceiling where they would usually paint.
Yep, beautiful.
So it's a really nice effect.
We've got a beautiful vanity here with our nude coat basin from Perth. We absolutely love it. We've got a tumbled brass tapware, which really pops against all the different colours.
Again, the 1950s sort of, you know, roughed up look.
Yep.
Wow.
This is stunning. That's that nude and coat.
Wow. Yeah, but that colour looks...
It's beautiful, eh?
Got a nice big Velux skylight up there, bringing all the natural light into the bathroom. And then we walk on into our shower that has lots of room. So we've got our dumper coming down from the ceiling, and then we've also got the handheld shower.
I love this. This is cool. This is
I've not
funky.
seen one like that. That's
Our
really
kids would love this. That'd be just very...
That's cool.
We've got a little stool down here which matches our terrazzo floor.
Yep.
We're
We
pretty
hope you
happy.
guys love it. Thank you.